What does it look like when you actually strengthen the tendons in the foot and ankle? Let's get into it. We're gonna go in two different directions, front to back and side to side. That way we get all planes of motion in the ankle. Now it's important to make sure you stay in this direction, going front to back. It's important to stay loaded on the front ankle. So this is what it'll look like. You'll put your hands on your hips, or you can go in a running motion, but for simplistic reasons, but keep your hands on your hips. Take that step back, but notice how all my weight is still on my front ankle. That's key. I'm gonna lower myself down. Notice my shoulder is over my ankle. I'm gonna stay loaded. I can even go all the way down to let the knee touch the ground so I can get set. But from there, keeping that tension, I'm gonna lean forward, push down to come up. Now this is important right here. I'm not gonna let myself relax. I have to keep tension down. Think, push down into the ground. And notice I'm gonna bring my whole body in front of the ankle as much as possible. You'll feel your foot and ankle gripping that ground. That's what you want. Now keeping that tension, kick that leg back, and then do it again. Lower down, keep that load, push down to come up, just like so. Now from the front angle, it looks like this. I kick back, keep my foot and ankle down, load. You can use your back leg, that's fine. Just as long as you're not wobbling back and forth, you want as much tension as possible without us wobbling as possible. Push down, come up, I'm holding. I'm not kicking out, I'm just keeping my foot underneath my knee, keeping as much tension as I can in that foot and ankle. So this is that front to back motion, just like so. And from that other angle, I'm gonna go back, keep that tension down. I can go as long as I can on one leg, and then push down to come up, hold, a little adjustment's fine, just as long as you can keep your foot grounded to that floor. That's the most important thing. Now, if you're wondering, but wait, Dan, your knee went over your toe. Is that not allowed? And the reality is, it's completely dependent on the depth you go. The lower you go, that shin has to move forward in order for that better quality depth of a squat or lunge that we're doing in this case. Let's get back into it. Now the side to side is going to be a little different. The biggest thing is you keep the whole bottom of the foot, or that tri point between these 2 points of the heel, stay grounded and your foot doesn't come off the ground. All right, here we go. Keep your foot grounded, keep that arch engaged by lifting the arch or turning that leg out without that foot coming up. Keep that arch engaged, kick out to the side, just like so. Now, all my weight, my center of gravity is gonna shift this way. It's gonna force me to fall. You're not gonna let it. And then from there, you are gonna do a curtsy lunge, or simply get your leg behind you and reach as far as you can. Keep that foot grounded. And once you get there, keep that tension going as you lean to the side. And you can see how much of an angle that looks. You want that angle because you want to keep that tension. So use this tension to pull you right back up and then hold. So from the other foot, I'm going to hold, kick out, and then slowly reach back as far as I can, and then get that to load. So I'm taking my ankle through all ranges of motion here with the tendons elongated that way, because this is the athletic stance before you come to lay up or jump or whatever it may be in those greater depths. So that way you have better capacity to do so. Again, keep that engaged, load, and then you come back up and then hold. Now let's say you're getting here and you can only get this far, be able to come up, that's fine. You gotta be able to stay centered. If you are going so far that you're wobbling, you're not gonna get much benefit from it. Quality over quantity at this point. You have to train to those depths. This is that side to side motion. Now, again, the biggest takeaways is putting more time under tension on those tendons, because as you do so, that stimulates a tendon strengthening response. We can get into plyometrics and how it helps. That's another specific system, but for now, this is gonna help get the tendons in your foot and ankle to be stronger, so you can actually have the capacity to do other dynamic things like plyometrics or jump training.